Hello guys, I'm Prince Warrior and today I am going to show you how you can make a 3D video on your Android or iOS devices for YouTube. So let's start the video.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you
So first of all, we have to open a browser. I will open Google Chrome. Now you have to search for panzoid.com. Make sure that you have a good internet connection to work it smoothly. So here we go. Now you have to make a video, so you have to choose the clip maker option to make a video for your YouTube channel. So this is the interface of the panzoid.com. Now you can choose any video for your YouTube channel. Now you can click on more creations button to get more videos. As you can see, there are many videos are here. So I will choose gravity video. Now you have to click on open any clip maker. Now the page has been opened. I will show you how you can edit this video. Now we have to click on second option button. We can select any resolution of the video. I will choose 1080p resolution. You can choose the frame rate 60 fps if your device supports that 60 fps video. So here is the main option of the video. Here we will edit the text of the intro. Now see the video carefully. Now you have to do it yourself because there are many videos that has different options to change the text of the video. Now we will check the video that it is correct or not. So as we can see, the alphabet Y is appearing. We have to delete that alphabet Y. To download this video, you have to click on the start video render option. Then it will start to render. It will take few minutes depending on your device. I am going to skip this to save your time. Now the download option appeared. Now you have to click on download your video option to download your video. After clicking on download your video option, the next page will appear. So after showing some ads, your download will be done. At last, I want to tell you that you have to do it yourself. Then you will become expert and you will be able to make a video intro for your YouTube channel. So, if this video was helpful for you, then you can like my video and comment down below, and you can subscribe my channel to get more videos related to Android devices or iOS devices. Thank you.